present a token of appreciation to our guest of honor, Dr. Deepak Vora, Ambassador, Government of India, for his presence with us. Let's have a huge round of applause, everyone, in welcoming Dr. Deepak Vora with us.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. All right, so next 15 minutes, if you don't mind, I'll give you my own introduction. और 3 अफ्रीकी देशों में मैं स्पेशल एडवाइजर हूँ, ना स्पेशल हूँ ना कोई एडवाइस देता हूँ, पर एक गाड़ी मिलती है वो पूं करती है, कोई सुनता नहीं है. So we're going to talk about just 10 minutes or 15 minutes, and if you keep looking at your phones, we'll go on for 2 hours. It's the transformation we are seeing in India. आप तो सब educationists हैं, you're outstanding sons and daughters of my mother. Her name is Bharat, India. मैं तो साधारण बेटा हूँ. Thank you, ma'am. The transformation is taking place. We used to be accused of being indecisive. That has gone. Now, indecisive India is Bharat Bahadur. तेज करो. This is our recent journey. Extreme poverty less than 2%. Not my figures. There's a racket in New York. I don't know if it's still alive. It used to be called the United Nations. Is it still alive? Okay. These are their figures. Population growth 1.9, etc. The world listens when India speaks. And you know, to Bharat, we have a target by 2047, we'll be a developed country. This is the target, so I wear it here lest I forget, because in my old age, I tend to forget. And my appeal to Bharat, I won't be alive in 2047, but my appeal is I want to know what it will be like, so I ask Bharat. Look, one jhalak we saw when we were in Paris at the AI Action Summit. We co-chaired it. So please, ma'am, artificial intelligence, send it to our neighbors because it might help them with their natural stupidity. Absolutely. Thank you very much. We have the world's largest digital public infrastructure. Our digital economy is 1/6 of our total economy, and it's 5 times more efficient. 74 countries as of today are implementing the unified payment interface invented by Bharat. एक को ताली बजाओ यार इस बात पे. Now I'd stop at this for a moment because today is also Hanuman Jayanti. And may I request you, Abhishek, I am special advisor in Leh. We have a Hanuman temple in a Buddhist city. So may I give you, written in Tibetan, with blessings from His Holiness the Dalai Lama. There you are. And thank you for asking me. Now we'll resume. Let me see if this works. Yes, it does. You know, we are now gaining in confidence. Now let me tell you about the Europeans, and do forgive me if I offend someone. We were treated with absolute contempt. Visa में कितना तंग करते हैं लोग? अभी भी पैसे खत्म हो गए, ताकत खत्म हुई, अक्कड़ नहीं खत्म हुई अभी. It takes 3 generations to forget that you once ruled half the world. वो क्या था? The sun never sets on the British Empire because even God doesn't trust them in the dark. Abhi Raisina dialogue mein we had 125 nations. I was there. And that president of the European Commission, Ursula Bundan, something like that is her name. She came with 22 commissioners, 22 Europeans who came to lecture us on development. And I'm telling you the truth. And then they said to us after seeing the nation's capital, you tell us about development. Amazing how it is transformed. अब बेटा हम लोग आंख झुका के बात नहीं करते, आंख उठा के बात नहीं करते, आंख से आंख मिला के बात करते हैं. प्लीज अपलॉड, ताली बजाओ. आज हमको अपने पे भरोसा है. This is Guyana in November last year. President of Guyana, listen to what he says.
India today is a world leader.
India today is a world leader. I didn't say this. President of Guyana, and then he told the Prime Minister, आप तो आयो सिर्फ 1.5 दिन के लिए, अरे 5 साल तो रुको, हमारे देश को भी develop करो. Amazing. 21 countries have given their highest national honors to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. 8 of them are Muslim countries.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
And then my 2 realities, since I'm a Buddhist, well, I believe in Buddhism, we never tell lies. My 2 realities are, I'm 74 years young, and I'm still very good looking. So what we tell all the ladies, you know, the rich countries, who developed them? People came from the moon, people came from the sun, people came from the ocean, or those people themselves? And if you're telling me it's those people themselves, the peoples of those countries, then you as educators, ask your students a question. What's wrong with us? Why did it take us so long to overcome the hesitations of our history? पूछेगा, सोचिएगा इसके बाद. Don't give me an answer. Ask them, talk to them. क्या हो गया हमें? क्या गलती हो गई हमसे? Here, I want you to listen to this. ये हमारा सिद्धांत कब से है कि हम घर में घुस के मारेंगे? This is Prime Minister speaking in 2019 at a place called Patan. You know what I learned in college and school? If somebody slaps me here, I should say, please slap me here. And if the fellow kicks me on my rear, I'd say, kick me in my stomach too. So what is this story about हमारा सिद्धांत है कि हम घर में घुस के मारेंगे? मैं बताता हूँ आपको. You've all heard the Ramayana? The basic story is one bad fellow steals a good fellow's wife. Good idea or bad idea to steal a wife? Bad idea? Okay, I just heard someone say good idea. So the fellow whose wife is stolen, he tells his chief spy master, go find her. He finds her. He does a tactical surrender, gets arrested, goes into the other fellow's palace and sets it on fire. बेटा 25,000 साल पहले जो रामायण की एज है, हमने घर में घुस के मारा था भगवान श्री हनुमान ने. आज उनकी जयंती. So self-confidence, self-trust, self-esteem, pride and ability. And who told Hanuman to remember his strength was a bear called Jambavan. Yes. I can't take off my shirt, but Jambavan, the bear, is engraved on my chest because I worship him. Oh. He reminded Hanuman of Hanuman's strength, just as today the modern Jambavan has reminded Bharat of its strength. And I'll conclude very quickly. Chanakya, the greatest strategist in history, had said, there can be no friendship without self-interest. Yes, shared values and shared this. I've been in diplomacy 52 years and counting. This is arrant nonsense. Why do you think the 22 European commissioners came here? Not because they liked the food in Delhi or they enjoyed the meridian. They came for my market. And that Wendell Lendon, whatever her name is, she talks to the Prime Minister. We are sitting there and she says, oh, hello, dear Narendra. Oh, really? Dear Narendra. Now you love my market because the Chinese have booted you out. McDonald Trump, not McDonald Trump. What's the fellow's name? Donald Trump, yeah. He has stopped it. Sorry, ma'am. So, $5 trillion economy, for those who are not familiar, we brought back 200 tons of our gold last year from the Bank of England. I asked the Reserve Bank governor, former, why didn't you bring it back earlier? He said, we didn't have a place to keep it. मैंने कहा, Tiger, मेरे bathroom में रख देता, कौन सी बड़ी बात? By the way, my government owns less than 1,000 tons of gold, 1,000. और हमारी जो बेटियां हैं ना, आप लोगों के पास 25,000 टन गोल्ड है, जो आप छुपा के रखती हैं घर में. Our women have the largest private holding of gold in the universe. Can you imagine what happens? But you will keep reading in the Western media, they'll try to smash your self-confidence. You'll read all negative stories, whether it's Reuters, CNN, this, that, and the other. Mat suniye unki baat. Despite all these weaknesses, I'm a professional development economist. Despite all these weaknesses, if we are still moving ahead, iska raaz kya hai? If you can understand this, tell me about it. You know, let me give you one example and then we'll come to the end. We're exceptional. Have you heard of the Arab League? The League of Arab States? 22 countries speaking one language. We are one country, we speak 22 official languages. So we are a role model. When I go to the countries I serve in Africa and I talk to the leaders, they say, you know, we want to be like Europe. I said, why? Oh, development and democracy and freedom and this, that, and the other. I said, look, that is a continent. I was looking for a book on the European economy. The librarian said, go and look in the history section. So I said, all right, I'll find out. So I tell these guys, don't look there. There's a role model for you here. A role model for ethnic societies. And this is what I tell them. Arey, वापस जाओ. एक स्लाइड वापस जाओ, वो गाना सुनना चाहिए. जल्दी से एक और वापस जाओ. एक और. Thank you. वापस. Now wait, let's see if I can get that.
तेरा ध्यान किधर है ये तेरा हीरो इधर है तेरा ध्यान.
So I tell them, तुम्हारा ध्यान कहाँ है? Hero तो यहाँ खड़ा है तुम्हारा. Why are you looking at those fellows? Any case, 1947, ma'am. Now I'll conclude with this. 1947, we did not become independent. झूठ बोलते हैं. Only my body was freed. My mind was totally colonial. Do you know how many Indians fought in the Second World War to preserve the British Empire? 2.5 million, 25 लाख. ब्रिटिश साम्राज्य को बचाने के लिए हम लड़े थे और 25,000 लेकर ये सिंगापुर से निकलता है, कहता है तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा. नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस. So when we unveiled his statue in the nation's capital, उस दिन मेरा आत्मसम्मान भी आजाद हुआ. जब चंद्रयान गया जहां कोई नहीं गया था, उस दिन मेरा आत्मविश्वास आजाद हुआ. आपका धर्म कुछ भी हो, जिस दिन राम लल्ला अपने घर गए, मेरी आत्मा आजाद हो गई उस दिन. Just wanted to say that we are a country, हम शास्त्रों की पूजा करते हैं, हम शस्त्र की पूजा भी करते हैं. सबको कहते हैं मुझसे पंगा लोगे मैं मिटा दूंगा तुमको. ये नया भारत है. दिस इज नो लॉन्गर इंडिया, दिस इज भारत.
तिरंगे के पीछे सारा हिंदुस्तान.
So this is the whole story. Have faith and confidence. Tell the people you teach. भरोसा करो अपने आप पे. डरना है तो डर से डरो, क्योंकि डर के आगे there's victory beyond fear. Finally, here. Comprehensive national power. Chanakya said this. Sons and daughters of India, Shakti izzat karti hai keval Shakti ki. Power respects only power. All this talk about whatever is arrant nonsense. Ask me. And what do we have? Diplomacy, the best in the world. Population, the largest in the world. My friends tell me that we are not a productive society, ma'am, but we are a reproductive society. Look at the number of children we produce. Last year, Japanese mothers, the median age in Japan, by the way, is 49. Half of Japan is above 49, half is below. Our median age is 29. So half of all Indians, like me, are less than 29, and some are a little more than 29. Japanese Prime Minister was a great friend of mine, the former chap Shinzo Abe, once said that, our women don't make children anymore. They produce 7.5 lakh bache. All of 2023. 7.5 lakh in all of Japan. अरे उससे ज़्यादा तो हम दिल्ली में कर देते हैं. क्या बात. It was meant to be a joke between the two of us. Don't take it seriously. 34 kilometers of highway every day. Highest, tallest, strongest bridge. Prime Minister is just going to inaugurate in 3 days the Chenab Bridge, the highest in the world, built by our companies, by a startup. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. And then, जो हमसे पंगा लेना चाहते हैं, we have it all. And this is what we tell them. So that's it. Make in India is a total flop. 2/3 of our defense equipment is now made in India. The Western media will never tell you that. It's exported to over 100 countries, and every year we make 1,400 state-of-the-art locomotives in India. Nobody will tell you that, because they want to break your self-confidence. We do it. Sir, may I end here? 1 toilet every 2 seconds, 2 bank accounts every second. That is the story of India. Don't trust these guys who tell you everything. Oh, by the way, finally, I'll end here. Our total private wealth is $8.2 trillion. 8.2, 6th largest in the world. Do you know what we spend it? This is the private wealth, is all the money you keep in the house, in your locker, and you don't pay tax. That's the private wealth. Oh, you do. Thank you very much. This is private wealth. And number one spend kahan karte hain hum log? Madam, kuch nahi aayega mobile pe. Number one spending of our private wealth is on beauty parlors. 6.5 लाख हमारे पास गांव और शहर हैं भारत में. 6.5 लाख. और मेरे पास 1 करोड़ beauty parlors हैं. Go to any village, you'll find 3 or 4 beauty parlors over there. That is India. Anyway, sir, we'll end with this slide. I really will. You'll ask me, why is the map sideways? Educators, brilliant minds. भारत को गोरे की नजर से मत देखो, भारत को भारत की नजर से देखो. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Thank you. I'm deeply grateful for your kind attention. Please, for your schools or colleges, wherever you are, please call me. I love to. I've spoken to 3 crore kids already across the country. I'm leaving in a little while somewhere else. I'll be speaking to some young minds. So please feel free to call me. I don't take any money. If you want to make a contribution to Prime Minister's Relief Fund, I will certainly come, talk to them, and tell them the reality of Bharat. Ab badal chuke hain hum.
How do we get this deck of yours?
This is intellectual property. जब आप बुलाएंगे मैं आऊंगा. Yes sir, please.
इंडिया का पहला जो
Escape कर.
उसने जब मैप के बारे में जब किसी ने पूछा था कि इंडिया भारत कहाँ से लग रहा है तो उसने एक ही वर्ड बोली थी, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. I remember that.
Thank you very much. यूनान और मिस्र रोमा सब मिट गए जहां से, अभी तक मगर है बाकी नाम और निशान हमारा. कुछ बात तो है कि हस्ती मिटती नहीं हमारी, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. एस्केप कर दो बेटा, बंद कर दो. Right. So we'll give you a developed Bharat. PM साहब ने बच्चों से कहा था at some event. He said we'll give you a developed Bharat by 2047. तो आप लोग मौज करेंगे. क्या करेंगे? मौज, जो हम लोग नहीं कर पाए. रुको बेटा, इसको मैं नेक्स्ट वाली में जा रहा हूं, खुद जा रहा हूं.
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
This is my tombstone. If you ever go to Kargil, I'm still alive. उस पे यही लिखा है, वक्त आने पर खाक हो जाऊंगा मैं, इस माँ की गोद में सो जाऊंगा मैं, बजेगा ब्यूगल जब भारत का, फिर उठ के तैनात हो जाऊंगा मैं. I will return. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. अब बंद करो. अब मैं अस्पताल जा रहा हूँ नाचने के बाद, वहीं